Okay guys, are you ready to watch TV? Sure. Okay, now let me just get the remote and let's go. Hey, have you ever thought of being an actor? Well, now you can, because you can come here. But then, you can be an actor. There's going to be singing and dancing and stuff like that. So if you want to be an actor, come on down. Now back to our scheduled program.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
We're here for being an actor. Oh, yeah, for being an actor. So where's my $1 million? $1 million? That's a ripoff. No. We are not being actors for $1 million. Guys, let's go in the elevator. Okay. Okay. This elevator is going to be a long time. Okay, we're at the elevator. Oh my gosh. Hey, go meet Foggy. I'm sure you will love him. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love playing my air guitar. Yeah, we came to get here. Hey, you guys want to hear a song? No, well, alright. I'm playing my air guitar. 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 I love to play 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 my air guitar. I play it in the morning. I play it in the night. I play it in the afternoon. I play it in the evening. I play it at breakfast. I play it at lunch. I play it at dinner. I play it at brunch. I like to eat my egg dog. 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 I like to play my egg guitar, eat my egg guitar, but not liberally. I love to play my egg dog. I love to play my egg dog. Yes, I do play my egg. I love to play my egg dog. Fine. If you don't want to enjoy my music, my air guitar music, then I guess we won't be meeting, and I guess we won't be friends. Is he gone? Okay, he's gone. Okay, guys, we gotta get out. Okay, guys, we gotta get out now. Okay. You ain't going nowhere. Now you're stuck here forever. For the rest of your life. So, we're stuck here for the rest of our lives? Oh no, we're not. We are not going to be stuck here for the rest of our lives. So, is any of you guys frenemies? Well, Bert and GROVER are. Why? Oh, no reason. No reason. What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you, GROVER. I love you too, Big Bird. I said, what? Huh? Now you're gonna be stuck here. Wait! No! Guys! Help me! Ah! Okay. Now, Elmo. Let's get ready to rock! Woke up in the morning, feeling fine. There was something special on my mind. Grover and Big Bird are big friends now. Grover and Big Bird together. Even though he is big, we will still be best friends. Everybody shout hooray! Big Bird and Grover together. Big Bird and Grover together. Elmo? What? Elmo? Guys are gonna help me. There's no reason to help you. Oh, except listening to the song. Everybody, that might help you. Oh no, why did I say that? I'm stupid. Here we go. What's happening to us? I don't know. Grover, why are we holding hands? What are you doing? Don't ever hold hands with me ever again! Guys! You're back! Of course we're back, Emma. What? No reason. Oh, let's go! We gotta escape here right now! That guy is evil! You guys are supposed to be running! I'm evil! Not that evil. Oh, okay, guys. You do not want to look at this. This face is so scary. Yeah. Oh, and guys, is this a friend of yours? Abby! You let her go right now. Why? Is she your girlfriend? Yeah. I mean, no. She is not my girlfriend. Just let her go right now, baby. I mean, sorry, baby. Honey, friend, stop. Let her go. No, she's in trap here now. What are you doing? You are a monster, little mister, and you are hot, little girl. What are you doing? Yeah, Well, okay, I'm not really that good. Yeah, I forgot my pizza. I don't have a pizza. Yeah, He may be evil, but he is really bad at making actresses and entrances. Yeah, agreed. Hey. Who are you? I'm Elmo. Yeah, Elmo? Okay, you're gonna get stuck in here for the rest of your life. Okay, because I got stuck here for the rest of my life. I got here when I was sick. I got here when I was 6 years old. How old are you now? I am 6. What? But you gotta get out of you there's no way to go. So you gotta be stuck with TV for the rest of your life. Yeah! And you're gonna be with the crazy guy. Okay, guys. We gotta find a way to destroy the Sesame Street guys. So, Alien, I want you to get out of the way. And you, I want you to get out. And we're gonna have the most richest girl of a lifetime. You guys, you got that? Let's destroy them! Guys, if we're gonna be stuck in here for the rest of our lives, we're gonna make something count. No. No? What do you mean no? We are not gonna be stuck here our whole time. Because I got math. Math's not real. Okay. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Math is real. It's real. It's real. It's real. Oh, whatever. We're gonna get something. We are gonna try to get out of here. No matter what there is. Elmo, you gotta try your hardest. Grover, you gotta try your hardest. And I gotta try the hardest too. So guys, we are not gonna give up. We got a family to live. We got Murray. I don't know who you got, but we need to get out of here. We're not gonna live with this green guy. We gotta live our whole life to it. We gotta try our hardest and our best and our poop. I don't know. But let's try to do it the hardest as we can. That speech was so beautiful. Get off of me, Elmo. Sorry. You're right. I am not going to spend my whole life here. And with that green guy always. And especially that frog. Oh no, I'm playing my actor. Playing my actor. Playing my actor. Playing my actor. I love to play 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 my actor. I play it in the morning. I play it in the night. I play it in the afternoon. I play it in the evening. I play it. Ah! You guys don't enjoy music. I play it in the night. Yes, my plan is finally working. With the set streets, everybody loves Elmo. So now, when he turns evil, I can rule the world. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna take a shower. Taking a shower, I did. Taking a shower, I did. Taking a shower, do. I'm taking a shower, do. Awkward. Taking a shower, do. Taking a shower, do. Abby, are you okay? I guess we're gonna be stuck here. Oh, Elmo, you are not going anywhere. Over here, other than the shower, okay? Oh, Elmo, you are not going anywhere. Gods, attack him! No! Ah! To be continued.